Questions come up all the time about power over Ethernet, injectors and mid-spans, and what type of power do I need? Needless to say, AMG has a product here that's pretty universal.
We have four different versions. We have 30, 60, and 90 watts.
Okay.
We also have a legacy version that does a Bosch NIC camera, pushes that up, AT versus BT. So
Okay.
the 90 watts is generally a BT PoE.
Mm-hmm.
And then it, some other things it has in it is lots of surge protection. So these things are out
Okay.
at the edge.
Yep.
Lightning's an issue. So they have some gas discharge tubes, like on the outputs, to protect the camera
Okay.
and the device. And then a bunch of surge on the input AC line. So
Gotcha.
a lot easier to protect, better than having an external power supply. You got one device, plug and play. It does, 1 gig up to 10 gig speeds.
Okay. So again, you're going to order it. You're going to look at what power, PoE do you
Right.
need, 30, 60, 90 watt. It comes, completely able to adjust all those speeds at that point. What's in the box? So as I open that box, what else do I need to buy?
So what comes with it is DIN rail.
Okay.
I'll give you a real DIN rail clip that stays on. Wall mounting kit.
Okay.
So you can take the DIN rail off and mount it to the wall. And then power cord, right angle power cord with a locking clip that will hold it in for vibration. So that all comes in the box. These
are standards. What are some of the options that you can also supply for these PoE injectors?
So we have a line locking cord. This thing will lock in, won't vibrate out. The beauty of it, it's for those situations where, roadside or on a bridge or something like that.
Okay.
This guy's not going to move. It's going to stay there.
Gotcha.
You're going to keep your camera on.
Now, I also know one of the other options that you guys have are these magnets also.
Right. So we have magnet kits for all of our products. So that one is 2, we have 4, we have 6. So depending on the product. And these are fully NEMA TS2 rated, which means minus 40 to 75 degrees C. So on the high end, these things hold their power. Maybe at 75 degrees C, they drop 25%. So you're going to get like 70-something watts at the camera at that temperature, which is a big deal.
Now, ultimately, these are considered hardened devices, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
So with all the AMG hardened devices, what is the warranty with those?
You get a lifetime warranty.
So that says a lot about any manufacturer. It's going to give you a lifetime warranty on product that's going to be outside, vibration, going through its paces, and give out a lifetime warranty. Dave, thank you very much. Great product, and thank you for all your time.
Thank you, sir.